show you how to use ChatGPT um, to tweak your resume so that it follows the job description on Indeed. So right now I have a fake resume that I have, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and so the ChatGPT that I go to is the OpenAI one. And then I log in usually as Google, where it's automatically goes in. Then I go to ChatGPT, the first box. And then I'm going to create a new chat. And then I'm going to put in my resume. And they can use my resume to job description role using to work a resume. And then I found a job on Indeed, and so I'm going to go there and get about the job and copy all of it. Um, what the responsibilities are, the experiences, the skills that I really needed. Um, and, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste that job description. Description, ChatGPT, this is what I wrote, and this is the ChatGPT is coming up with. Um, and so you can do this with your resume as well. And then also what I like to do is I also ask can you also can you do cover letter using the description. Make sure that you read over what ChatGPT says. Sometimes it likes to embellish your um, or highlight a little bit too much. So just make sure that whatever it has written for you is valid. Something else that I wanted to show you was on Indeed when you're looking for jobs. Like for instance, on here, I go to jobs. Once I'm logged into my Indeed, and then I'm gonna go, okay, I'm gonna look at my data analyst jobs. And then what I do is up here, it gives me filters. And so once I go to all filters, I go down and I put um, under 10 applicants. And that way I know which jobs have fewer applicants so that I have a better chance and where my resume stands out more. And then sometimes I also do in your network so you have people that you can reach out to. Sometimes you may not get enough depending on what field you're going into, but these are some of the ones, like for instance, this one only had 3 applicants and this one only had 7 applicants. So it just gives you more of a advantage of it. So anyways, I hope that helps.